Fucking piles giving me jip already, man. Fucking hell.
You do know I'm recording, don't you?
In that case, John Wayne's an arsehole. Oh, jeez, oh. The things you do for likes and subscribes. Me comment. No, me comment indeed. You know what they say, 20 quid's 20 quid.
That is it.
Unless you charge 30 quid an hour, of course.
So that bit we came down to getting you insured, that's basically like the fucking the Ardennes forest, that. Very similar. Fucking cool as fuck, man. Not exactly like it, but just that 2-laner going through all the forestry and all that, it's fucking brilliant. We need maybe organise, once you get your panniers and stuff and your tent, I think we need to plan a wee trip down to Kildare Forest.
Where is that again?
Just down Northumberland.
Oh.
But it's a bit more gravelly roads rather than paved roads.
So are we coming this way far?
Fuck up you wee Vanny. I was about to answer you on that, you wee fucking dick. This is new.
Red light. Green light.
This is new. This is new. Well, the bridge is fucking... Bridge is fucked, that's right. Forestry road up there, Andy. Woohoo!
Hey. Subscribe for an itchy arse content. Ring your bell for fucking whatever the fuck it is. Dangleberries.
Right, so normally you can go straight on, right, and it'll take you, but we're going up this way. You can go straight on, but this is better. So if you just followed that road all the way, it would take you to Stratton. We'll go doing that another time. I think this is the road I was thinking about this morning. If you look out to the right, well you can't see now because it's here, so you look out to the right, you see where that road goes. Got less arseholes on this one.
There's 3 on it now.
We're on this for 14 mile. I think this is the fucking road that I thought it was this morning. It is. I thought this was on the other side, but it's no. Look down there when you came out of the hill. Look down there. Look at that. How fucking cool is that, boys?
Yep. Perfectly average.
Fuck up, you wee fanny.
Fuck all and board heat, but. Fuck all in the Glenaford Breeze. Cool as fuck, man. You still standing up, you wee plum? I just sat down for that bit, but I'm going back up now. That wee bit looked a bit fucking hairy. Evil. Your first one for coal segments in Mabel, wasn't it?
Aye.
We hay meat.
Aye, we hay meats, aye. We hay meats. Aye, sure they started as a week early.
Helping Mally do some fucking camping or something, wasn't it?
I think so, aye. Alpaca traffic. Alpaca! Alpacas! Oh! Hey! Back end kicked it there.